Hey guys, so this quick video I'm going to share with you how we can use the MagicSchool AI and some kind of like the tips on how you can use it more effectively. Now, when you're gonna like enter and you're gonna like fill all your details, there you're gonna find like magic tools where you're gonna have like teacher tools here. And when you're gonna click here teacher tools, you can like filter it by categories and what the thing you want to actually do. So let's say you want to do planning, and then you're gonna have like lesson plan, custom chatbot, standard unpacker, project-based learning, and you can just like actually like choose here what you want to do and then just like click on it and start working on it, if it makes sense. So here I can click, for example, instruction material or rubric generator, and then you're gonna like actually like fill all these things out and you're gonna generate it. So that's for like the teacher tools. We'll get it in a minute, but this is what you can actually like find here. Then you're gonna have my collections, where you're gonna have the collections for easy filtering, and you can like create here the collection and the tools that you use most often. So that's for that. Then also the output history here. So here you're gonna find like resources, what you did, and then also resource library. So this is where you can have like resources. Then you're gonna have the Rhina. This is a chatbot. So this is kind of like AI instructional coach. So questions related to best practices in teaching or your work in school building. So this is great. It's kind of like remembers things, and yep. Then you're gonna have also the student tools. So these were like the tools that you can like also use, like Quiz Me for quiz yourself on any topic or type fast, math review, text summarizer, and then also rooms. So this is something that you can also do. Now for the teacher tools, in a moment when you're gonna be here, and I just want to like show you, I can click here and you can like create a lesson plan. You can create a multiple choice quiz here, a worksheet generator, text summarizer, academic content, YouTube video questions. So I can click here and this can be like a transcript. So for example, I can check here. I will just like show you. I'll like paste the YouTube video. And we're gonna have like history of like that. Let's go. And I'm going to click YouTube transcript here and download the YouTube transcript. It's in a second. And I can take it, or I can paste it, and I can click generate. So as you can see, look what happened. So right here we have the like added prompt, the grade level. You can choose it, the question time, number of questions. I actually like took the transcript from YouTube video. So for example, that would be like history teacher, and this is like the entire history in France in 23 minutes. And look at that. It started creating me questions, right? And this is just like the example right here that I could use, and I could like generate me more questions, please, thank you. Or you can take it from Wikipedia, right? And you see it's actually like generating me. So this is very good. And this is something that you can actually like check out for yourself too if you want to. So this is like the example how it actually works. And you are going to find plenty of things here that you can also use, and it works in a similar way. So okay, generate topics, right, about jokes about history of France. And like again, I can like write it, the prompt. And you can like get the teacher jokes. So that's pretty much it, pretty straightforward on what you can actually like get from it. I hope it provided a little bit of value. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.